video, you will learn how to cut and assemble a felt flower like this. It's also called a rolled flower because you roll the felt to get a design just like this. Once you learn how to make these flowers, you can create a felt crown just like this, or even a whole garden of felt flowers. And you won't even have to water it because it'll stay nice and colorful all year round. Or you can add it to all your other projects as embellishments. Alright, are you excited? Let's get started! For this project, you will need a Silhouette Cameo machine with a fabric blade, the Silhouette Studio design software, and a cutting mat. If you do not have access to these, you can always cut out the flower template by hand, but this will take a little bit longer. You can also visit the Central Idea Lab, where you will be able to access this machine and software. You will also need felt in any color you like, a rolled flower template, and a hot glue gun. Now let's learn how to make felt flowers. Open the Silhouette Studio design software, and then open the rolled flower template. Next, navigate to the Send tab at the top and click on it. Make sure to apply the appropriate settings for cutting felt, and then click on the Send button at the bottom to send the project to the Silhouette Cameo machine. The machine should have the felt on the cutting mat loaded into the machine. Make sure you have the fabric blade loaded into the machine as well. Once the project is sent to the Cameo machine, it will start cutting the flower template. Once the machine is done cutting, unload the mat and the felt and gently lift the felt from the mat. You should end up with a spiral piece of felt. Now lift one end of the felt and start to roll it. As you roll the felt, you'll begin to notice that the flower is starting to take shape. As you roll, make sure to add little dabs of hot glue to secure the shape. As you near the end of the spiral, you will see this little tab. Apply a generous amount of glue on the circular tab. Then fold the tab over, press down on it, and this will secure the flower shape. And look at that, you just made a felt flower. Great job! Now that you know how to make one flower, you can grow or make many more flowers. These flowers are a great addition to any project, and they can also be great standalone projects as well. I hope it felt fun to learn how to make felt flowers. I can't wait to see what projects you come up with. Thanks for watching!